Based on what happened kanina, no, yung mga exchanges nyo with the new APRO Chair, Congresswoman Swansing, do you believe that, kasi sinabi nyo rin kanina baka ngayon palang gagawin yan kasi hindi mailabas agad. Do you really believe that, Kong?
Hindi naman masasagot ni Congresswoman Swansing yun di ba? Kaya nga, sinasabi ko, hindi naman siya yung chairman at that time. So, ang talagang makakasagot lang nun is Congressman Saldico, who is still a member of the House now. So, I think naman may authority yung leadership na patawag siya and ask him to explain.
And
That is the first sign of seriousness pagdating po dito sa bagay.
nabanggit nyo rin kanina pareho lang yung COMSEC. So you cannot get it from the COMSEC?
Yes, but I mean, those people are just doing their jobs, di ba? Wag naman sila yung pagtuunan natin. Nagtatrabaho lang po yung mga yan.
Okay.
But Saldico ang kailangan sumagot doon sa mga tanong.